Turn the heat on. It's been on for about 10 minutes, but you can hear the motor going bad. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it's starting to squeak really bad, so that's going to be the problem. Of course, I want to mount this where it's not leaving on the floor like that. Let's get it taken apart. Board over there, the low voltage. Got to pull the fan out and put a new one in.